Seiko's Presage collection has seen an updated design this year with the addition of the SSA426J. Elegant and classy, the stainless steel rose gold colored case is a real standout for me. The case size is about 41mm, and combining this with the nylon strap, this piece just feels really comfy and fits perfectly on my wrist. I think the brown strap on top of the rose gold case with the black dial is such an awesome look. It works really well. And check out the open heart on this one. Seeing the movement tick over like that really makes it feel like you've got a fine piece of engineering on your wrist. There's also a 24-hour dial above the movement window. This is definitely a dress watch, but Seiko are claiming a 50-meter water resistance. So really all that means is you don't have to fret if you're caught out in the rain. I definitely would not go swimming with this on, even if it's something you wear down the beach. If you like the look of this piece, you can shop this one and heaps more Seiko Presage watches over at watchdepot.com.au.